Okay guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can actually take your CashMagnet and level it up to level 7. And I know a bunch of you guys out there are having trouble trying to level up to level 7. Some of you guys are struggling over, downloading all the stuff, connecting it to your PC, and it's just kind of a mess. But hopefully with this video it will clear up some things, and yes, I will be teaching you guys step by step, taking you guys through the entire process on how to actually take your phone and get to level 7 on CashMagnet. With that being said, let's not waste any more time and jump right into the topic. Let's go. So the very first thing we need to do actually is hop over to the phone settings. Now if you guys don't already have developer options, then yeah, this part will be for you guys. But if you do have developer options already activated, then go ahead and skip to the part on screen right now. Okay, so for those of you guys who stuck around, basically how this works is you go into general, you're going to scroll down to about phone, click on about phone, and then once you guys actually go ahead and find software info, what you guys want to do is find that build number. Now you're going to tap this 7 times in total until it shows up that you are a developer. From there, just back out into the regular general settings, and you guys should find a little section right here for developer options. Alright, so once you got developer options enabled, what you guys want to do is actually open it up. Here we are. Then you guys are going to go ahead and actually scroll down, and once you guys see USB debugging, I want you guys to actually go ahead and turn that on. Click OK. Next, you guys are going to go ahead and actually plug in a cable that runs to your PC right here, and that should go ahead and actually enable a little notification right here on your desktop. This will also work on a laptop for you guys. Next, scroll down until you guys actually find select USB configuration. Now click on that, and once you guys are on here, what you guys want to do is actually select file transfer and click always. Click use as always, and you should get a little notification as so right there. We just connected our LG Q7 Plus. Alright, so the next thing you guys are going to do is actually go into the description of this video right now and click the first link that you guys find. It should bring up a CashMagnet tab. This is on your desktop, by the way, so make sure you guys go ahead and do that on your laptop/desktop. Now once that link comes up, you guys will have to sign into your CashMagnet account if you haven't already. So after signing in on CashMagnet, you guys should be redirected to this page right here. If not, go ahead and just select the download under this tab area and then click on program for level 7. Now once you actually click the download, you guys will see a little download happen down here. So after clicking the download link, and once the download actually finishes, it should show up as something like this. Now if you guys don't have the WinRAR application, that is totally fine. You guys should be able to do this just with your regular desktop default apps or whatever it's called. Anyways, so you guys should be able to find this little installer.exe. Go ahead and just double click it, and it should bring up a little page like so. From here, you guys may or may not find a little device name up here. There should be a device name or a device that should say LG Q7 or whatever your phone is, and if not, that is totally fine. We're going to get into the next part. So if you guys don't find your device name up there, that is totally fine. What we're going to do is actually go back over to the phone and go into USB configuration. Just go ahead and head back over to the phone under developer options, scroll down till you see select USB configuration, click on that. Now what you guys are going to do is actually, it's going to be different for all of you guys. Now this model right here, what you guys want to do is actually select photo transfer if you have that, and if not, you guys can just select some other type of transfer for files and just give it a shot. And once you actually go ahead and select it, click always, and a little notification should pop up on this desktop as well as on your phone. Now once you see this message, that is a good thing. So if you see this message, make sure you guys go ahead and actually just select always allow from this computer and click OK. So after you follow those steps, you guys should be able to see your device name under this device tab right here. Now I'm obviously gonna blank out my local IP, and what you guys want to do is actually go ahead and actually click install. And it's very simple, guys. Once you go ahead and actually click install, you guys will see that the service status will be under installing. Now during this process, please do not unplug your phone from the desktop whatsoever. And as you guys can see right here, after a little bit, it's pretty much like 20 seconds, it is installed. So after you've gone ahead and actually followed those steps, what you guys want to do is actually just clear the CashMagnet / the tabs on your phone, and then go ahead and reopen CashMagnet. Now once it loads up, you should be able to get to level 7. And there we go, guys. So we are leveled up on CashMagnet. Now if it isn't already leveled up, what you guys want to do is actually click on your levels, scroll down to level 7, click on it, and then just click activate, or proceed to level 7, and it should go ahead and grant you access to level 7. Here at level 7, you guys will be earning a decent amount of points, and I believe you do get a little bit more watch and install. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's why I think it does. Now it's not too much of a big difference, but hey, if you guys want to earn more, level 7, here you go. Also, if you guys did run into any problems along the way or still have any more questions, go ahead, leave it in the comments down below. I'll make sure to go ahead and actually answer as many questions as I can. With that being said, you guys have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.